Hey guys, it's me, Taranza.
Hey, Taranza, why are you so bad? Like, what
Well,
happened?
my voice kind of got messed up, and I don't even know what to do anymore.
Like,
I'm
actually,
allergic to cats, and this man has cats all over his house, and my voice is all messed up.
okay,
And I'm
actually,
kinda
actually,
sad.
actually, try your voice like the best you can.
I mean, I can't do it anymore. Hey guys, it's me, Taranza.
Okay, do it really high pitched. Do evil.
I'm evil.
Wow, Taranza, that's pretty hot.
Wait, what? What kind of scam was that? Get out of here, fool. I'll beat you up after school tomorrow.
In never condition, I doubt it. I mean, I don't know why your voice would affect your punching skills, even though you have 6
Like a
hands.
mole, Mr. Squidward.
What did Squidward do to you for you to have that horrible of a voice?
Because he has cats, and I don't like cats. I'm allergic to cats.
No, that's SpongeBob. He is a snail that's supposed to be a cat.
Oh, yeah, you're right, aren't you? Okay, I'm sorry, Toad.
Yeah, you have a plush of SpongeBob, so go.
Oh, no, that's not him. That's Blue Nova. Hi, Blue Nova.
My Chromebook's going off. It might be
That's
my...
not a Chromebook. That's an HP.
Well, either way, it probably has my mushroom stuff on there, so...
You did this to me, Toad. You have a pet cat. I'm about to murder you, fool.
It's not my phone, I swear!
Be quiet. I'm glad we got done with the Halloween video before my voice started messing up. Oh.
Yeah, we just finished the Halloween
But
video.
I don't have my adapter here, so I can't do it. I love you, Link.
Yeah, I don't know why my voice is so loud, even though I'm over there. But definitely not Mr. Cowdog, who's doing Toad voice.
Toad, I don't want you guys to do the fool.
You should try your Dark Bowser voice, Taranza. The best.
Yes, so today I'm Dark Bowser from the Metro. Yeah, I can do Dark Bowser's voice pretty fine. I just want to try going high pitch, it just messes up, and it's pretty annoying.
You should do Link.
Oh, hey guys, it's me, Lincoln. Yeah, I can do Links too.
Do Waddle Dees.
Like, oh my god, so today I can't do Waddle Dees either.
Do SpongeBob, man.
Be quiet, I'm SpongeBob. And today we're gonna be watching Mr. Cow.